Today we're going to take a quick look at this variety toy set. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video, and there's a lot of stuff in this box, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first of all, you do have 6 different rolls of poop bags here, so that's really nice that they've included these for those walks. Also a couple of dispensers. Here's a blue one. You'll see a green one here in a little bit. So that's really nice that they've included that. And several different plushies here. So there's like a bone rainbow plushie with a squeaker in it. Here's a circle rainbow color one with a nice design on the front of it. Also a banana, which is a lot of fun. Then this is a teething, like for teeth cleaning, so they can chew on that, clean their teeth. You also have a couple of these little squeaker balls, the blue one, and there's an orange one in there. There's another dispenser. You have 8 different types of dog ropes in here, so a lot of variety when it comes to the dog ropes. There's one with some little spike plastic on it as well. And there's one with a ball on it. So if your dogs are big tug of war fans or just chasing after ropes, my dogs love these. And then here is a squeaker ball where you can put a toy inside of this, or a treat rather, inside of that, and it also makes noise as you shuffle it around on the ground. There's another pull rope with a ball on it, great for tug of war. There is just a ball made out of rope, and then a frisbee, which is a lot of fun. And then you also have another one of those little spike balls and another little green ball there, which is good for the teeth. It's got those little spikes. And my little boy Tot was just waiting and waiting and waiting. So I throw all these out there for them, and they absolutely love toys, all kinds of toys. So I basically gave them this whole entire box of toys, and they are big fans of it. And so I've had these now for a couple of weeks of making this video, and all the plushies surprisingly are still together. All the ropes are still together, and it's just been a lot of fun in my house with these two English Bulldogs. But this variety pack is super nice, which you don't have to give all of them at once, but it is nice that to have all the different variety of toys that you could rotate out if you wanted to. So if you're looking for a really great variety pack for dogs, then these definitely could work for you, and it's worked great for us. Hope this video helps.